Imagine you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, a notification pops up. Your Tide account has been blocked. Your heart sinks. You've been using Tide for years, and now, it's gone. What happened? Why is your account blocked? This is a question many Tide users face, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Today, we're going to dive into the reasons why your Tide account might have been blocked and what you can do about it. Common reasons for account blocking. Let's start with the most common reasons why Tide might block an account. Suspicious activity. One of the primary reasons for account blocking is suspicious activity. This can include unusual login attempts from unfamiliar locations, large, unexpected transactions, activity that violates Tide's terms of service, security concerns. Tide takes security very seriously. If there's a risk of your account being compromised, they may block it as a precautionary measure. This could be due to sharing your login credentials with others, using weak passwords, phishing attempts, inactivity. Believe it or not, inactivity can also lead to account blocking. If you haven't used your Tide account for an extended period, Tide might deactivate it to prevent security risks. Violation of terms of service. Tide has specific terms of service that users must agree to. If you violate these terms, your account could be blocked. This includes engaging in fraudulent activities, promoting illegal or harmful content, using Tide services for unauthorized purposes. What to do when your account is blocked? If your Tide account has been blocked, don't panic. Here are some steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. Review your activity. The first thing to do is review your recent activity. Look for any unusual or suspicious transactions or login attempts. If you find anything out of the ordinary, it might be the reason for the block. Contact Tide support. If you can't figure out why your account is blocked, the best course of action is to contact Tide's customer support. They can provide you with more specific information about the reason for the block and guide you through the process of resolving the issue. Provide necessary information. When you contact Tide support, be prepared to provide them with any information they request. This might include your account details, a description of the issue, any relevant documentation, preventing future blocks. Once you've resolved the issue and your account is reactivated, it's important to take steps to prevent future blocks. Here are some tips. Use strong passwords. Create unique, complex passwords for your Tide account and avoid sharing them with anyone. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access it. Monitor your account. Regularly review your account activity for any suspicious transactions or login attempts. Report suspicious activity. If you notice anything unusual, report it to Tide immediately. Comply with Tide's terms of service. Always follow Tide's rules and regulations to avoid any violations that could lead to account blocking. Being blocked from your Tide account can be frustrating, but it's often possible to resolve the issue. By understanding the common reasons for account blocking and taking proactive steps to prevent future issues, you can keep your Tide account active and secure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.